Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix you are not eligible for purchase on Nintendo Switch 2. If you get this error message that says you are not eligible for purchase, then it means that your account has been configured with a age limitation. So that means you cannot buy or download a software that exceeds that age limitation limit. So if you're, for example, 15 and want to play a game that's 18 plus rated, then you won't be able to do that unless you use an account that doesn't have age limitations, so is created by someone that's 18 years old, and the same applies, for example, if you're like 13 years old and want to get a game that's 15 plus, then you need to have an account that has at least 15 years old set as the age of the person that owns the account, and that will let you download the app for that age limitation. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.